In this class, we are going to discuss class 4th Gurmohan Golden Jubilee Edition, chapter number 9, a game of hopscotch. Students, the writer of this chapter is Swapna Datta. So, question answer and exercises shall be discussed in this video. I'll show you the very first page of the chapter, the game of hopscotch. It's given on page number 96. Okay. So, understanding the text, we are going to discuss. Okay, so understanding the text, it says say T for true and N for not true. The first is Tinko had not gone out because she was unwell. Number two, Tinko was surprised to hear Mary because they were meeting after a long time. Mary helped Tinko's aunts find their way home. And the fourth is Mary had wiped the chalk marks of the hopscotch court before leaving. And the fifth is only Mary and Shadow heard the sound of a horse hoofs. So we'll see the answer now here. For question number one, answer is true. Okay. For second, it is not true. Third, true. Fourth, not true. And fifth is also true. Question answer. Let us see. I'll create it before my parents return. Who said this to whom? What did it refers to? How did the listener know where the speaker's parents were? So Tinku said this to Mary. It refers to the muddy shoe mark and paw mark left by Mary and the dog's shadow. Mary said that she must have heard someone mention that Tinku's parents were going to Nainital while walking downhill. Question number two. He is afraid I may get lost. Who did he refer to? What do we know about him? What role did he play in the story? He refers to Mary's father. Who know that Mary's father was a doctor who visited his patient on horseback. He was protective about Mary and was afraid that she could get lost if she did not return home in the evening, as it was very easy to get lost in the hills. Mary talks about her father. Tinku, Tinku never sees him or hears the sound of his horse hoofs. Thus, he adds a sense of mystery to the story. Question number three. Paro, will you please close the door? Why did the speaker say this? What Paro said? Do you find it strange? Why? So Tinku said this because Mary had just left Tinku. Uh, just left and Tinku had not heard the door closing. So just wait. So Tinku expected the door to be open. Paro said that she had closed the door right after Tinku's parents had left in the morning. Yes, I find it strange. It makes us wonder how Miri had come in without Tinku and Paro knowing. If Paro had locked the door in the morning, also it is strange. Also, it is strange how Tinku and Paro did not hear the door open and close when Mary left. Question 4. You must have fallen asleep, poor thing. Who said this to whom? Why did the speaker think so? Why did the listener get upset on hearing this? Parur said this to Tinku. Since Tinku was unwell and was supposed to be resting, Paru thought that Tinku must have fallen asleep and dreamed it because Paru had not heard anyone coming in or leaving, and they were just wait. And there were no mark on the carpet. Tinku got upset because it seemed that Paro did not believe her when she knew that she had been wide awake and had not dreamed it up. Question number 5. Give example from the text to show how Mary seems number one old fashioned. So Mary wears an old fashioned overcoat. She pulls a dainty laced handkerchief out of her pocket. She calls the overcoat as Ulster. Strange or mysterious. So, but how did you get in, Mary? Paro always locked the door when Ma isn't here. Mary vanishes with a shadow, and Tinku cannot see her anywhere. There are no mark on the carpet. Tinku cannot find the handkerchief. Only a faint smell of eucalyptus lingers in the air. Appreciating the text. See, this is the question. We'll see the answers. This the mist also adds to the atmosphere of mystery because it makes it difficult for the characters to see anything outside clearly. It also provides a gloomy set for the event. The remote location of the cottage on the hills is important because it would be difficult to reach and would be completely separated from the rest of the town. This adds to the mysterious of the thing. Question number 2, that is up to you. You have to solve it. So now students will move towards exercises. Now exercise A, identify whether these are phrases or clause. For phrase you have to put P, and for clause you have to put C. So the first is already given. On a low bench of a tree. देखिए on a low bench of a tree इसमें कोई subject और predicate नहीं है तो that will be phrase. It rained very heavily or for many years clause. For a little while phrase. Whose family this because of to belong to clause. Then old curved rosewood table phrase. 7 over the last 50 years phrase. और एट्थ है विच इज गोइंग टू बी गुड विच इज ग्रोइंग टू अ गुड हाइट ये है क्लॉज ठीक है एक बार आंसर भी देख लेते हैं देखिए फ्रेज क्लॉज फ्रेज क्लॉज फ्रेज फ्रेज क्लॉज ठीक है बी में देखते हैं बच्चों राइट विद द हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स आर अ नाउन फ्रेज एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज और प्रिपोजिशनल फ्रेज ठीक है इन द गार्डन ये क्या है प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज है हैव यू सीन माई रेड रोज क्या है ये एपी होगा एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज ठीक है देन तीसरा देखिए मैन कैरिंग द ब्लू बैग लुक्स वेरी फेमिलियर फिफ्थ है फोर्थ इज ही ग्रीटेड मी एट द डोर ये भी प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज होगा माई द नोटी गोट एट अप द यंग मैंगो ट्री ये क्या है बच्चों चलिए देख लेते हैं फिफ्थ इज noun phrase, then AP, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, noun phrase, prepositional phrase and then adverbial phrase. ठीक है सी में क्या है okay after that let me see words in use write the meaning of the highlighted words in each pair of the sentences as shown in the examples I need a match to light the fire so first is already given for second EAB third EAB fourth EAB let us see the game or contest between two teams, a piece of writing that is formed by actors in the theater, television, or radio. Then B to do things for a pleasure, as the children do, to enjoy yourself rather than work. After one other person in order, be a very short time. Fourth, caring for others. Fifth is, and fourth be a particular type or variety. For writing, you have to try yourself. And activity 1 to 3, try to yourself. So, students, in this way, we have completed all question answer and all exercises of this chapter. That is chapter number 9. You know, chapter number 9, a game of hopscotch. I hope this video will help you. And in the same way, we'll talk on chapter number 8 in the next video. Till that time, thank you so much and have a nice day.